On the frozen surface of Europa, everything feels silent. Endless ice stretches beneath Jupiter's shadow, but ahead, something is glowing. Beneath the ice, the darkness opened into light. That was the moment I chose to go deeper. One wrong move and there was no way back. The deeper I went, the stranger it became. The ice didn't feel dead, it felt aware. The path narrowed and the silence grew heavier. Then I see it, a body sealed behind the ancient ice, an astronaut, frozen where he fell. He came down here before me, and never made it back. And then the path behind me disappeared. Even turning back didn't feel possible anymore. So I climbed higher, deeper into the cold. The ice was cracking beneath me. For a moment, everything was still, beautifully still. This is why I came. Something preserved in the ice, something worth bringing home. Beyond that point, Europa felt colder than ever. Finally, I started climbing back toward the light. I made it back with proof, fragments of the deep ice, pieces of wire no one was meant to see this closely. Locked away, protected, ready to leave Europa behind. The mission is over, but the feeling stays with me that someone else stood where I stood and never came back home. As the surface falls away beneath us, the crystals fade into the distance, the fissure disappears, but somewhere beneath the ice is still there, waiting in the dark.